which we will keep on covering on time to time basis or after the presentation. So, should we start?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Club Med as a brand was the first brand in the globe which started an all-inclusive concept. This brand was launched in 1950. So, which means that this year we are celebrating our 70th anniversary of this brand. When we say that, like we are pioneer in launching the all-inclusive concept, then we feel proud in it because this was the first brand who globally launched a concept of all-inclusive. The meaning of all-inclusive is very different into the different markets, but if you find about and if you want to talk about a real all-inclusive product, then Club Med is the leader and Club Med is the pioneer. This is a French brand. The full name of the brand is Club Mediterranean. However, as a short name, it is said as Club Med. Now, in India, with name, we also have some certain challenges. Like our people in the Indian market, they feel that Club Med means we are talking about some club, we are talking about some membership product, or we are talking about some timeshare product where the people have to pay some people also feel that we are into medical tourism because the last word of the brand is med. But none of this is true. It is all the perceptions which has been come to the mind of the consumers because unfortunately there was not enough marketing of this brand done in the Indian market. But as you can see and as I say that it is a 70 years old brand. 70 साल बहुत होते हैं साहब. 70 साल पुरानी brand जो exist करती है globe में, and like they are doing something and they have done a great job in terms of offering the services to the privileged customers. I think it is a brand which every travel partner today should propose to their customers. Club Med, every like business is founded on certain pillars. Similarly, Club Med brand is founded on 5 pillars: freedom, responsibility, pioneer, multicultural, and kindness. And when we say these 5 pillars, you will see all these 5 pillars in the inclusions of the brand which we are offering to the customers. So our experience includes all those 5 pillars on which is the foundation of this brand is laid on. We have 3 main features. One is let go, second is feel free, third one is share genuine moments. Now what does mean by let go? Let go means that we give a place to our valued customers where they completely disconnect with their everyday constraints. However, they reconnect themselves with the new cultures, they reconnect themselves with their family, and they reconnect themselves with some new experiences when they come to the Club Med resorts. Feel free, as we said, that Club Med is offering a hassle-free holidays to the guests, which means nothing is imposed, everything is possible, and actually they rejoice a lot in that perfect balance between me time, family time, and couple time. Now, what is me time? Where I want to do something for my own. What is family time? When all family put together is having fun or having an experience. What is couple time? Where kids are enjoying their own activities and couple is having a quality time between themselves. Then we say that third very beautiful aspect of the brand is shared genuine moments, where we say that because we are multicultural, so the guest is going to rediscover the joyful moments, not only between the different nationalities, but also from our own geos who are there from different nationalities to offer this wonderful experience to the guests. Club Med as a brand, as I said that, like we are the pioneer of all inclusiveness, but Besides this, there is also a long history of first, which was started by Club Med in the hospitality industry in Globe.
Manoj,
1950 we launched. Yes, sir.
can you make it the full screen by pressing F5?
Just a sec. Just a sec, sir. Just a sec. Is it okay?
Yes, absolutely fine, sir.
Okay. So 1950 we launched the concept. 1956 this brand came up with first ski resort, which was opened in Lausanne in Switzerland. 1965 the brand came out with a resort which was outside Mediterranean, which was in Tahiti. 1967, just remember this, that Kids Club and Mini Club facility was launched by Club Med brand in 1967. From 1967, we are the pioneer who has launched this Kids Club scheme, and you can imagine that a concept which has launched it in 1967, the industry upgradation which is going on year-to-year basis. So there is a long history where we started first, but I feel that for you, some things to remember is 2004 we started our upscale strategy. 2010 we had first ski resorts in China. 2015 we got an agreement done with a entertainment company called Cirque du Soleil. In 1967, we had the global positioning that is the worldwide Amazing You campaign. Today, Club Med has 70 resorts, which are globally located in 26 different countries. So our presence is across the globe. We don't have any resort currently in India. However, to the nearest locations from India, we have 2 resorts in Maldives. We have 1 resort in Bintan, which is the nearest beach destination from Singapore. We have a resort in Phuket. We have a resort in Malaysia. The name of the place is called Chirating. It is on the east coast side of Malaysia. We are coming up with a new resort, Seychelles. Actually, it was supposed to open in October 2020, but due to this prevailing situation of COVID-19, the launch has been postponed. But Seychelles is one of the destinations which is very popular in the Indian market, and very soon we will open the sale for this, which will support our partners to sell this unique experience of brand in Seychelles as well. So as I said that we are the 1950 when we launched, so we feel proud in saying ourselves as worldwide leader and pioneer of premium all-inclusive holidays. Now, what are premium all-inclusive holidays actually covers is accommodation and transfers. It covers full board gourmet cuisine. It covers sports and activities. We have premium bar. We have kids zone. We have day and night entertainment, and we have family happy place. Now I try to cover each one by one. So accommodation and transfers, that we have 3 category of rooms mostly in our resorts, which is superior room, deluxe room, and suite room. So depending upon the budget of the client, you can offer them superior room, or you can offer them deluxe room, or you can offer them suite room. Then in superior room also you have a categorization, sea view rooms, or you have deluxe rooms with terrace, or you have deluxe rooms with sea view. That type of different categorizations will there be in the accommodation. When we say full board gourmet cuisine, which means that we offer breakfast, lunch, and dinner, that is included in your price. When you quote a price to the consumer, it is already included. However, it is not only the buffet breakfast, specialty restaurant, where the customer don't need to pay anything extra. For dinner, they just need to book a table for their dinner. These specialty restaurants also serve late breakfast till 12, 12:30, and these late restaurants also serve the lunch till 4:30 or 5. So in buffet, the difference is that in buffet you will have a wide variety of international cuisines. There will be minimum 6 to 7 different international cuisines. So at one time, probably you will find more than 35 different type of dishes in the buffet meal. However, in a specialty restaurant, the customer, they will have a fixed menu, which will be an a la carte menu. So they can choose the menu and they can order their meal. I again repeat, they don't have to pay anything extra for this. We also have Indian food corners. Currently, we have Indian food corners in a resort in Kani, Maldives, Bintan in Indonesia, Bali in Indonesia, and Cherating in Malaysia. Sports and activities. When we say all inclusive, which means that we have a wide array of activities which is a part of your cost, which is already included. Now, these activities are land activities, these activities are water activities. Water activities, all the non motorized sports like snorkeling, kayaking, paddling, all these are a part of your cost. In land sports, you have flying trapeze. Depending upon resort to resort, you have archery, you have golf. And if you don't know, you are given the learning lessons. And all this is a part of your cost. You don't need to pay extra for this. Motorized water sports, yes, you need to pay extra for this. Premium open bar, we offer alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks throughout the day, which is free, which is where the customer can go and they grab their drink, mocktails, cocktails, tea, coffee, water, juices. This is available in the resort. So in a resort, there will be minimum 2 or 3 bars which will open say around 8 o'clock and will open till we have party in the evening, say 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. As I said, if you remember my previous slides, I said that in 1967 was the area when Club Med as a brand has launched the kids club. So we have the facility to manage kids. There is a different altogether zone which is there for the kids, where kids can enjoy their own games. They have instructors, we have professionals who look after the kids area, and the kids are into safe hands. The kids, trust me, they learn a lot of skills. Say suppose if someone is not knowing archery, the geo will make them train to play archery. So there are a variety of other things, variety of other skills which a kid can develop while he's there on the Club Med holidays. So day and night there will be different type of entertainment themed activities which is going on the resort. If a customer is going even for a stay of 7 nights in Club Med, every day there will be a different theme. So these activities are throughout the day. There is a interval. There is a, like we give a navigation chart. And what I can also suggest you is you can download an app which is called Club Med app. You can download it on your Android or an iOS phone, and you can show it to your customer when you are proposing it. It will give you the schedule of the daily activities, that what is going to happen at what time. And if you remember, there was one pillar of our brand was freedom. And as I said, nothing is imposed. It is the choice of the customer whether they want to participate into that particular event, or they just want to relax on their own. Family happy place. So as I said, that it is a place where you actually share genuine moments, where you have time for yourself, where you have time for your family, where you have time for your spouse. So we have activities, we have amazing family activities where entire family come together and they participate into certain activities which is curated by the resort. So if you see this slide, you will find out there is an array of inclusions which is there. If I compare this from the Indian market, and I tell you, you must have sold a product which is a kind of all inclusive, and that is cruise. So today you are selling cruises. It can be a cruise from Singapore, it can be a cruise from Europe, or it can be a cruise in Hawaii, or it can be a cruise in Bahamas. But when you send a customer on the cruise, you hardly get a complaint. The reason is because that customer is getting an all inclusive experience which is managed by the main principal company. But I am not very sure whether before this you have ever sold any all-inclusive product when you are selling a leisure holiday on ground. So Club Med is a brand which offers you a perfect experience of all-inclusive concept. So just to recap, all-day dining, premium open bars, sports activities, access to beaches, kids club, entertainment, and Wi-Fi. These are all the included in your premium this thing. We also have ski holidays. So similar to beach holidays, we have ski holidays where we conduct ski lessons, lift passes are given, group lessons are given, then meals and open bar and all other things, they remains the same. What is not included? So we don't have excursions, which is a included in the cost. So that does not mean that we can't offer you the excursions. We can definitely offer you the excursions. If someone wants to book excursions with Club Med, they can send us a request. We will tell you the cost and then you can book it. Now here I want to tell you a difference. See, most of the travel partners in India, when they sell a destination, their tie-ups are with the DMCs. They take rate from DMCs. DMCs has a bundle package where they have included the excursions. But please understand that a cost of DMC and a cost of hotel can never be the same. We have to maintain the premiumness of the product. We cannot play foul, and therefore our services will be as per our standard. And you may find out a difference in the cost. However, you are free. If you want to book the excursion through your DMC, you can go ahead and just send us a note that your customer has been booked on this excursion on this date. But Club Med will not be responsible for those services which you have booked on your own and not through Club Med. Spa is not included in the package, but yes, we have 5-star category spas which are there in the resort, and your customer can enjoy that treatment. Transfers. Now, there are certain destinations where transfers are mandatory, which you have to take from us, say like Maldives or say like Bintan. However, for other destinations like Phuket or I'll say Bali or like Chirating, if you want to book transfers through your own partner, own transporter, you can go ahead and book it and we will give you a reduction of the transfer cost. Baby and Petit Club. So when you have a child which is up to the age of 4 years and you want to have a special services for that child, then in that case, you have to make us the payment. That payment we will give you if you want to opt for, and we will tell you, and the customer can pay it directly at the resort. So say suppose a customer is going for 3 days, but he wants baby services for 1 day. They can just tell us that this baby services they need for 1 day. We will give you the cost. They can go there at the reception, book the baby service, and they can pay it directly. And as I said, please, you have to be confident and you have to tell this in confidence to your valuable customer that this brand is professional in handling kids since 1967. You know, when you show an experience to a customer that, oh, this brand has an experience of these many years, it automatically gives a kind of confidence. Okay. Unique selling points. Our locations are unique selling points. Our experiences are unique selling points. Our kid services are unique selling points. Our multicultural concept is unique selling points. And of course, last but not the least, all inclusive.
We are not able to listen the sound of the video.
Sorry?
Sir, we are not able to listen the sound of the video.
I think yes, video there is some problem. Video sound doesn't come on the Zoom. That is what I have experienced previously also.
Okay.
However, let's see it. So accommodation I already covered that we have superior deluxe and suite category. Now this is a unique concept of this brand which we call as Geo. As I mentioned in the starting of this presentation that it's a French brand. So we have certain terminology. Geo stands for gentle organizers. Now these gentle organizers, if I try to explain you, then you can think about a hotel, and in a hotel you have general manager, in a hotel you have restaurant manager, in a hotel you have bar manager, in a hotel you have reception manager, in a hotel you have reservation manager. I'm sure that you know all these words who are there in the hotels. So these geo in our terminology are called gentle organizers. It's a team with the strong core values of kindness, generosity, passion, multicultural, professionalism. And like these geos, they are expert into their respective fields. So the bar manager is expert into bar, reservation manager is expert into reservation field, sports manager is expert into sports manager, yoga manager is expert into yoga. All these have their expert skills. But in addition to these experience skills, these guys also have an inherent culture which the brand offers to them of conviviality with the guest, which means that these geos, they are the soul of this brand, and they work and they portray themselves as a bridge between the guest and the resort. They're the people who make the ambience very live, who make the ambience very energetic, and they are the people who will come and talk to the guest. In Club Med, like our geos, they will come to the guest and they will say, hey, can I have a breakfast with you? Hey, can I have a lunch with you? Can I have dinner with you? What type of day you are spending today? What do you want to do today? Let me guide you. Let me tell you that this is fantastic activity which is happening today. Why don't you participate into this? So they build a kind of confidence in the customer, and in this they feel, the customers start feeling that wow, it's a great product. Okay.
उसके लिए कॉल किया था, वेबिनार चल रहा था क्लब मेट का.
We have special honeymoon packages. In our honeymoon packages, bottle of wine, Club Med couple t-shirt, priority check-in, and one couple portrait is already which is given. However, if you want to make it more special, then there is a cost which is of $370 per couple, and which includes spa, which includes romantic dinner, and which includes bottle of champagne. So guys, this is what is all about our brand. As I said, that between 0 to 2 years, which we call it as baby club, for this the customer need to pay. From 2 to 3, it is called as petit club. If they want to have a particular person who can be with their kid, then this services is also available, which is chargeable. But any services which is from the age of 4 years till 17 years is not chargeable, and the families can adopt to this. Now, one more feature of pricing. So we have 3 tier of pricing. One is adult cost, second is teenager cost, where they pay 80% of the adult cost, and third one is the child cost, where they pay 60%. So if there is a family which has 2 adult and which has 2 kids between 4 to 11 years, then you know what we offer them? We offer them a room, an interconnecting room, but in the 60% cost. We don't charge full, and room is going to be of the same category which they want to opt. So if parents are staying in superior room, we can offer same category room interconnecting for their 2 kids, so that the family is together and they also have more space. This is a very big USP of this brand. Amazing Family Program, as I said, that we conduct some programs for our families. Now, this is the resort which is in Maldives. Suppose if you are selling overwater suite in Maldives, then you get an additional benefits which is complimentary. One is breakfast in your suite. You can order breakfast in your suite. You can go to our second resort, which is Funulu Villas. There is a private beach lounge which is accessible only and only for the guests who are staying in overwater suite, and we serve champagne at sunset to the people who are staying in overwater suite. These are the added benefits which comes complimentary for the guests. Finolu Villas, it's a much luxury property. There is a complimentary transfer for people who are staying in Finolu Villa to go to Kani, and for people who are staying in Kani over water to come to Finolu Villas. The people who stay in Kani over water, they can come to Finolu and can enjoy bar and pool. There is a complimentary ferry which plies between both the resorts. In Finolu Villas, every villa has a private pool. There is a butler service in Finolu Villas where the guest can order for their meals through the butler and they can enjoy their privacy. Similarly, we have resorts in Mauritius, we have resorts in ski Alps. So what I mean to say here is that the concept remains the same. You have to understand that how Club Med is very different in the concept. So suppose if you are already selling Maldives as a destination, I'm sure you might be selling several other resorts. If you are selling Maldives and if you are selling international brands in Maldives, next time, please see the cost of Club Med. You always need to compare Club Med with any international brand. Please don't compare Club Med with a standalone brand because that will not be a fair comparison. If you want to compare Club Med in Maldives, compare it with Hilton, compare it with Holiday, compare it with Full Moon Sheraton, and then you see the value. You will always find out that Club Med has more value than the competition.
Sorry
Bali,
to
we
interrupt.
have resorted. Yeah.
Only 1 minute is left, sir.
Okay. In Club Med Bali, we have resort in Nusa Dua. Bintan, we have resort. So what I mean to say is, guys, that there are destinations where we have the resorts. What we request you is that whenever you are proposing Club Med to a customer, you have to look into the value perspective. And value perspective, you can see from the point of view that, okay, what are the offerings? How we can help you out is, you can ask from us brochures, you can ask from us resort presentation, you can ask from us resort fact sheets, you can ask from us campaign flyers, you can ask from us resort videos. This all we can provide you. What I will suggest you is, go to clubmed.asia website and just follow our social media channel. You will start getting a lot of new news. This is what you can do at your end, and me and Varun, we are always there to help you out. We have influencers testimonials on the website. You can look into this and you can share it with your customers to build up their